Hi everyone, and today I'm going to introduce you to our Quad Fence Dogs Mark II. Over the years we've been making our quad fence dogs like our standard fence dog, but the downside of them was you had to remove the fence first before you could remove the dogs. So you would have to recalibrate every time you've done it. Now technology's changed and we've got a new machine in now. We are now able to produce the Mark II version. And if I show you the Mark II version here now, what we've done is we've made a bigger block, a couple of holes where you can fix the fence to. And now you have a thumb screw at the top, which pulls the quad dog base into to impress the O-rings, locking it in. And let me show you that. So by putting it in here, I can literally just tighten this up. Once again, that's in there rock solid. So how does this work with our fence system? Once again, is exactly the same as the regular fence dogs. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove our T-nuts as normal, here and here. And I'm loosely going to attach the thumb turn. And same again here on this one. So with them in place, like before, you can see I can move and I can position my quad fence dogs in the holes like so. Tighten them up. Still allow me to move the fence backwards and forwards. Once I've got it in position, I can then lock that down. Rock solid inside the fence, like so. So now I need to remove it. I simply just undo these thumb screws here and I can remove it. And once again, pushing it back in again. Tighten those up and all good. So these are going to be available on our website from mid to end of April. So keep an eye on our website. If you are registered with our marketing, we will obviously email out when these are available to buy, but we will have them on our website as a pre-order. So if you want to get your order in, you can do. Thanks for watching.